Welcome to week 8 of the Young 8 Tai Chi Workshop. In today's practice, we will be completing our Young 8 forms, beginning with cross hands and finishing with the closing form. We begin as we always do by bowing, so placing your right hand into a fist, left palm on top, left thumb over the right fist, bowing to begin. We'll start where we left off in grasping sparrow's tail, so coming into bow stance and hands up around head height. Okay? From here, we're going to turn on the left foot and we're lunging with this right knee. So the right knee is bending over towards the right hand side, arms open wide. Then we turn this right toe in. And as we step this right toe in to meet the left about shoulder width, we're crossing at the wrists with our palms facing up. Bending at the knees with the back straight. We're then bringing the hands all the way up to shoulder height. Then as we come to the top, we're turning the palms down, bringing the hands out to shoulder width, and we're pushing all the way down. And as you come with your hands by your side, we then step the left foot in, and we finish. Okay? We're going to practice that again. This time we're starting with grasping sparrow's tail to the right. So coming into our bow stance, hands up around head height here. So we're turning on this right toe, lunging on this left knee. So bending the left knee, arms open wide. We then turn on the left foot, sliding it in towards the right, coming shoulders width apart. Hands now crossed at the wrists. We're bringing palms up to shoulder height. Palms turned down, spread them shoulders width. We're pushing the hands down all the way to the sides with purpose as we then step the right foot in. Okay? I'm going to show you now facing away from you. So we'll start with bow stance to the left, reaching the hands up to head height after grasping sparrow's tail. So we're turning on this left toe, lunging to the right hand side. So bending the right knee, arms open wide. Turning the right toe in, slide it in towards the left at shoulders width. Crossing the hands over at the wrist, palms facing up. Reaching the hands up to shoulder height. Spreading the hands out. Pushing down with purpose to the sides, and then stepping the left foot in and straightening up. We'll do that again, this time starting with bow stance to the right. So grasping sparrow's tail, we've just finished. We turn on the right toe, lunging towards the left, so bent left knee, arms open wide. Turn on the left toe, sliding it in towards the right, shoulders width apart as you cross at the wrists, palms facing up. Reaching those hands all the way up to shoulder height as you turn the palms down, separate across, pushing the hands down towards the sides, stepping the right foot in and straightening up. Thank you for joining me today in week 8 of the Young 8 Tai Chi Workshop.